Is your computer very slow when starting or opening programs? In this video, I will show you 3 simple settings in Windows 11 that can make your PC faster in just few minutes. No software needed. So without saying much, let's get started. First, disable startup programs. Disabling this program means your computer will start faster because of fewer applications will load when Windows starts. So to do that, right click start button here, and right click and look for task manager. Here you go. You can see here it is our startup app. Let me make it big so you can see our startup app. You can see this is enabled, this is enabled, this is enabled, this is enabled. So let's disable them. Then and disable. Of course, these two. Right. The next will remove temporary files that slow down your computer. To do that, do the run command Windows R, Windows R, EMP. Yeah, you can do all this file. Select everything here and delete. All these files are temporary files and we don't need it and they are occupying some space. So close it to remove more temporary files. So then just type this exact code here. Okay. Select everything again. Shift delete. New 19 point. Like that. I just delete everything there. These files are not important, so removing them free space and helps Windows run smoother. Okay. So step 3, adjust performance settings. Now let's optimize Windows for better performance. So click start. You go adjustment and appearance performance for Windows. Like your play. Here you go. Here with the desktop icon. As you can see here, click on it. Adjust for best performance. Adjust for best performance. Yeah. And click apply. Click apply and click OK. Disable unnecessary visual effects and allows Windows to use more resources for performance. With these 3 quick steps, your PC can run faster now. So if you found the video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.